Castrol Power1 has been designed to operate in the most important areas of the motorcycle engine, namely the camshaft, piston and bearings, clutch and gearbox. Let's take a tour of the engine. The bearings in modern motorcycle engines are subjected to high speeds and forces during operation. Conventional oils tend to generate very thick films in bearings which, whilst being good for durability, result in significant drag and therefore power loss in the engine. As the oil ages in service, it may thicken. This can cause a further increase in bearing friction over time and therefore greater power loss. Castrol Power1 is formulated specifically to reduce bearing friction without compromising bearing durability. The low viscosity of the oil promotes thinner lubricant films without causing film breakdown. The high-quality antioxidants in Power1 also help to control oil thickening over time, helping to maintain the Power1 advantage for longer. The camshaft must function correctly at all times to maximize engine breathing and therefore power delivery. As the cam rotates against the follower to lift the valve, huge forces are present, which, without adequate lubrication, would result in a build-up of heat, wear, and ultimately failure of the valve train. As oil is introduced into the contact between the cam and the follower, it carries away heat and provides protection between the moving surfaces. Thick oils provide good durability, but create drag which can be a source of power loss. Power1 is a modern low-viscosity formulation with a powerful anti-wear system which optimizes frictional losses in the valve train whilst providing exceptional protection against camshaft wear. This is also true for the gears, with Power1 providing exceptional gear protection whilst maximizing transmission efficiency. The wet clutch used extensively in four-stroke motorcycles is an essential component, as it is required to transfer power smoothly and efficiently from the engine to the back wheel. The clutch is the weak link in the motorcycle drivetrain, and the correct choice of oil is vital for ultimate power performance. If modern passenger car lubricants are used, as the throttle is opened, the clutch takes the strain. But as power increases, friction modifiers cause the clutch to slip early, preventing the engine power from being transferred effectively. Using conventional motorcycle oils, the clutch friction is higher. As a result, the clutch holds out for longer before it finally starts to slip, again compromising power transfer to the back wheel. Castrol Power1 has been designed specifically to transmit all the power being released in the engine to the road. As the throttle opens, the clutch plates take the strain right up to the point of maximum power, giving ultimate power transfer with minimum clutch slippage and wear. The oil on the piston ring provides an important two-way seal between the piston and the liner. It prevents the high-pressure combustion gases from leaking into the crankcase, which would result in loss of power. It also prevents engine oil from the crankcase escaping into the cylinder, which would otherwise result in oil consumption and smoke. At top and bottom dead center, the ring is in full contact with the liner. As the piston moves up and down the liner, the ring motion forms a protective oil film, which is fullest at around mid-stroke. With conventional thick engine oils, anti-wear components work to reduce wear, but the drag from the thick oil leads to power loss throughout the stroke. Castrol Power1 has been optimized to reduce this viscous drag whilst maintaining a good seal whilst controlling wear in the cylinder. This leads to higher engine power output without impacting engine compression, oil consumption, or durability. In conclusion, Castrol Power1 lubricant technology has optimized frictional properties designed to maximize power right up to maximum RPM without causing slippage, reduced engine life, or compromising engine wear. In fact, it is the best you can do for your bike.